Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Quick video today guys, how to replace the windshield wipers on BMW, and most BMWs will be that way guys. Not very complicated procedure. We'll be demonstrating on the 3 Series, that generation from 2005 to 2013, but most of the BMWs past 1999 will be that way. We're using original BMW wipers. We have the products listed in the description of the video where you can get original wipers for a good price. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Also please check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Quite a few BMW videos coming there as well, with hard to diagnose codes, engine codes, airbag codes, things like that. So just quick details, sometimes guys BMW will have pretty long hoods, so in order to replace the driver's side, the driver's side windshield wiper, what you have to do, we have to actually open the hood. In our case we can do it both with open and closed hood. So I'm going to go ahead, let me show you now. If I close it, you can see it's going to rub here a little bit. If you push it, it's fine. But if you open the hood all the way, like that, you can get the wiper, and push it this way, all the way, and you can replace it. So first we need to go ahead, here with 2 fingers you pop this and up, slide this way. Perfect. Now we need to go ahead and remove the wiper. Just slide it out. Now we're going to pull the new wipers out of the box. Ours, the driver's side, is longer than the passenger side. So you can see how they're aerodynamic. So there is a position that you put them. Now we have to go ahead and install them here in the hole. Like that, and then you turn it this way, you can see, and it locks in place. After that we're going to install the cap. Push down on it, just like that. You can see we replaced one of them. The second one is exactly the same way guys. However, we're missing one of the caps on ours. This thing is missing the cap here, so we will not be able to show you on the cap part. We get the new wiper now. Same procedure. You need to go almost all the way backwards, Flip it like that. If you have the cap, install it. That's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.